children, welcome back to Maths class. In previous class, we have completed our chapter Geometry. Today, we are moving to our next chapter, that is Fractions. Okay, what is a fraction? Parts of a whole is called a fraction. Parts of a whole means full. W-H-O-L-E means full is called a fraction. For example, let us see this dairy milk. See, this is a full dairy milk. And can you see the parts? Yes, it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 parts. So this full dairy milk is divided into 12 equal parts. Okay. And each of these parts is called a fraction. This part, this is a fraction. This is a fraction. This is a fraction. So what is a fraction? Parts of a whole is called a fraction. So for example, in a dairy milk, this dairy milk is divided into 12 parts and each part is called a fraction. So this is called a fraction. Okay. So what is a fraction? The part of a whole is called a fraction. Okay. Now let us see the first fraction, that is 1/2. Okay. 1/2. What is 1/2? Let us see what is 1/2. This is a lemon. This is a full lemon. Okay. If you cut this lemon into two, see, you have cut this whole lemon into two parts. Now this lemon is having two parts, 1 and 2. Okay, so this full lemon or whole lemon is divided into two parts. Okay, and what we call each part? Each one is the fraction. Each part is called a fraction. So this part is one of two portions. Okay, this is one fraction of total 2. Okay, how will you write it? 1 out of 2. Okay, the number that you write on the top is called numerator. Numerator. And the number you write down is called denominator. Denominator. Okay, numerator and denominator. In numerator, you will write the part referred to. See, here you are referring to one part. Okay, or one fraction. So in numerator, you will write the part referred to, and in denominator, you will write the total number of parts. Here, how many parts are there? 1, 2. Okay, so in numerator, you will write the part referred to, and in denominator, you will refer the total number of parts. Okay, now tell me here how many parts are there? There are 2 parts. So, in denominator, you will write 2 and you are referring to 1 out of 2. So, in numerator, you will write 1. Okay, so this is 1 out of 2. 1/2. Okay, this part of the lemon is 1/2 and this part is another 1/2. So when you join these two halves, you will get one full part. One whole lemon. Okay, so when you add 2, 1/2. This is 1/2 and this is 1/2. This is 1/2 and this is 1/2. When two 1/2s are joined, you will get one whole. Okay. So what you will write in, how 1/2 is referred? 1/2. Numerator is the part referred, numerator, you will write what? Parts referred to. Parts referred to. And in denominator, you will write total number of parts. Okay. You will write total number of parts. 1/2 is referred as 1/2. 1/2 is 1/2. Okay, see, this full lemon is divided into 2 and this is 1 out of 2 parts and this is another 1 out of 2 parts. Okay, when you join or when you combine 2 1/2 or 2 1/2, you will get 1 whole part. Okay, for example, this is a rectangle. Okay, and you divide that rectangle into 2. This is one part, this is another part. Okay, so when you, this shaded portion is what? 1 out of 2 portion. This shaded portion is 1/2. Okay, because this whole rectangle is divided into 2 parts and this shaded portion is 1 part out of 2 parts. That is parts referred to. This is 1 part and total number of parts. How many parts are there? 2 parts. So this is 1 out of 2 parts and this is also 1/2. This is another part, another 1 part out of 2. Okay, so when you combine 2 1/2, you will get the whole rectangle. Okay, so when 2 1/2 is combined, you will get 1 whole. 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 This is called, whole means full. Okay, part of a whole is called a fraction. Okay, is that clear to you? Part of a whole is called a fraction. Okay, now let us see what is quarter or 1/4. Next is 1/4. ONE, 1 FOURTH. What is 1/4? 1 part out of 4 is called 1/4. For example, see, here we have 4 equal parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 parts and if you take 1 out of this, see, we have taken 1. This is called 1/4. 1 part out of 4. Okay, see, this is 1/4 of the chocolate. Like that, each is called, each part will become 1/4. This is another 1/4. This is another 1/4. And this is another 1/4. So, 1/4 or you will say it as quarter. Okay, so what is 1/4? See, there are 4 parts. And if you take 1 out of this portion is called 1/4. Okay, so 4 1/4 will give you 1 whole. Okay, so 4 1/4 will give you a whole. Okay, so how will you write 1/4? In numerator, you will write the parts referred to. Okay, so you are representing 1 out of 4 parts. So in numerator, you will write 1 and in denominator, you will write what? Total number of parts. Here, what is the total number of parts? 4. So, 1 out of 4. 1 out of 4 parts. Okay. See, you are dividing it into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is 1/4? You have to shade 1 part out of 4. This is 1/4. 1/4. Okay, this is another 1/4. And this is another 1/4. 1/4. So 4 quarters form a 4 quarters together form a whole. WHOLE. 4 quarters. 1/4, or you will say it as quarter. 4 quarter. QUARTER. 4 quarters altogether makes a whole. 4 quarters. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters makes a whole. Okay. So did you understand what is a quarter? One portion. See, this is one portion out of 4. So this portion is called, this shaded portion is 1/4. Okay. So while representing, you will represent it as 1/4. Numerator, the number that we write on the top is called numerator. In numerator, you will write the number of parts referred to, and in denominator, you will write the total number of parts. Okay, now let us do some exercise. So let us do some exercise. Here you want to shade 1/2 and 1/4 of the image. Okay, let us see the first question. In first question, you have to color 1/2. 1/2 means how many portions you have to shade? You have to shade one portion out of 2. There are 2. 1/2 means 1/2. Okay, so you have to shade 1 out of 2 portions. Okay, that is 1/2 means 1/2. Okay, we have shaded one portion out of 2. Okay, now second question is 1/4. What do you mean by 1/4? 1/4 means one part out of 4. 1/4 is one part out of 4. How will you represent it? 1/4. Okay, so how many parts you have to color? 1. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. You have to color 1. Okay, so you can color any one portion. Okay, color or shade. So this is 1/4. Next, again 1/2. What do you mean by 1/2? 1/2 is 1/2. Okay, here there are 2 parts. 1, 2. 2 parts. You have to shade 1/2. That is 1 out of 2 parts. So this is how you shade 1/2. Next question, 1/4. Again, what is 1/4? 1 out of 4 parts. You are going to shade, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there and you have to shade 1 out of 4 parts. Okay, this is how you do the shading for the portions. Okay, so thank you children. See you in next